Greetings from the Guardians of the Galaxy media event here at Epcot at Walt Disney World. We're going to show you as much as we possibly can of the new Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind roller coaster. Let's go check it out. All right, we are next to ride. All right, here we go. We're not allowed to take any photos or video on the ride, but Disney is actually have a rider cam set up, and you'll get to see my pretty face riding Guardians of the Galaxy. I'll bet you're all very excited about that, right? So I got to ride Guardians of the Galaxy a whole bunch of times today. My overall review is I really like the ride. It's a lot of fun. I love the fact that it's not a spinning ride, meaning like crazy, out of control, nauseous. It's very controlled, very purposeful in all of its movements, smooth, amazing. The backwards launch is fantastic. I think I actually liked it riding it mostly in the back row. The front was a lot of fun, but the back was just awesome. I love the back row. All right, so we're about to enter the Wonders of Xandar. Here we go, down the hall. All right, so here we are. We're in the very first pre-show room. We're on the screen above. We're going to learn about things about Earth. Now, apparently, the teachings have come from Peter Quill, which I think if you know Guardians, he's not necessarily the most knowledgeable on some things. So the information may not be completely accurate here. So this next part of the queue is what is called the Xandar Gallery. So let's go take a look and see what they're going to show us.
Big Xandarians
are everywhere
they need to go. Ultra high speed.
This is apparently a model of Xandar.
Xandarians also travel by water. Our city boasts an extensive canal system, ranging from larger ones, which serve as the main pathways, to narrow ones.
So anything you wanted to learn about Xandar is right here in the Xandar Gallery. Oh, here we go. We've got a model of the Milano. And that is, of course, the Guardians ship that you know and love from the films.
It's not often one gets to interview the most dangerous woman in the galaxy. Welcome, Gamora. Wait, who called me that? Peter Quill. You mean Star-Lord? Oh, I was told he hates that. Oh, yeah, he does. He really hates it. So how did you Guardians end up teaming up with the Ravagers? They normally only work for themselves. Well, we liked them. And was that part of Peter Quill's plan? You mean the plan that didn't go according to plan? We were completely up from it. In the end, though, we were able to defeat the Rogue Crew. But we couldn't have done it without Quill. That's right. And here he is now. Peter Quill, what do you have to say about this?
I mean, it was really a group effort to execute my plan. Thank you, Gamora.
I would love to hear more about how Terra was chosen for this Wonders of Xandar tour.
Well, that was totally my idea. And Epcot, too, because I love that place. It's awesome. I was there as a kid, and I cannot wait to get to go back and ride Horizons. Also want to see the energy, dinosaurs, and of course, hear the veggie fruit. It's the best.
Okay, well, I'm sure it will be wonderful for you to relive all of those memories again. And it's thanks to the Guardians that Xandar is reaching out to other cultures across the galaxy.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years. assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot-tarians. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Stand by for teleportation. Is everyone in? Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourselves what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Superior Monarch, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we figure that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans for eons. This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
Some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogramed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait,
What? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the Cosmic Generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait! There's King. Where's this King?
the odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was King, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
here with Cassandra at Walt Disney Imagineering. Now, everybody knows roller coasters. They're the most fun at the park. Everybody goes to roller coasters. They talk about them forever. How much fun was it to know that you were going to work on the very first Epcot roller coaster ever?
It was very exciting, and when I found out that this roller coaster was going to be an Omni coaster, I was so shocked. I obviously love Haunted Mansion, and I love the Omni Movers, how they direct you to look at the show, and I just thought, wow, this is next level to have an Omni coaster where I'm on a thrilling coaster, but I'm still able to move and actually look at the show.
That's a really important point. Like, can we talk about that for a second? So a lot of people ask us, like, oh, it's a spinning coaster. We're saying, no, it doesn't spin. It kind of more turns and rotates to show you the scenes, right? Am I saying that correctly?
Yeah, so it is turning you to show you the scenes. And it also has a really cool effect where if you're imagining you're in outer space, right? You're flying through space and time. It's kind of drifting. It gives you this kind of drift effect. So it really has kind of a double feature for me.
You're kind of like dancing along with Peter's like groovy tunes, right?
Yes.
Like, so your role here, you worked on, you were saying you worked on a lot of like the colors and everything that you see. So like when we look in this building here and we just see like some of the amazing vibrance and everything, that came from your team, right?
Right, so my team takes care of all the color design, and we really go in depth into the story, because even if you don't realize it, subconsciously you're taking in all of this information, right? So everything you see here in the Wonders of Xandar Pavilion is really sleek, beautiful metallics, a light purple accent. It's really giving you this idea that we're in this kind of modern feel for the Xandarian people.
The trains look beautiful. The station looks fantastic.
Yeah, when you get onto the spaceship, you see all of those scenic finishes, and that's what's telling you, wow, now I'm on a working spaceship, right?
Oh, I did notice one thing in the queue. So Peter starts talking about his childhood days at Epcot and mentions all these old like attractions that we, some of us grew up with and know and love. What was that like, kind of being able to put like little tiny Easter eggs and fun moments of past attractions into a ride?
Well, listen, I'll never tell you the secrets, but I will say that as Imagineers, we love the history of Epcot and we love the history of our parks and resorts. So we always like to think and look back to the past, give those subtle nods, and really, honor that history. But we also like to move forward with innovation, which is really one of the key themes of Epcot.
So Cassandra, your team, you guys made a fantastic, fun roller coaster. It looks great, and it will thrill for generations to come. So congratulations.
Thank you. I'm so excited for all of our guests to see it.
Great. Thank you.
Thanks.
All right, so let's take a look at some of the Guardians merchandise. Gotta love the Cosmic Rewind bag. And of course, there is some Baby Groot down here at the bottom. Gotta love him. Star-Lord mask. Here's some of your t-shirts. I love this retro Epcot look for Guardians. It's awesome. And then of course the Yondu arrow. And oh God, what do you call it? The thing that goes on your head, the hat, the ears. It's not an ears, but it's a Yondu ears. It's the closest thing you'll get to ears if you're Yondu. I think that's super cool. And I'm told it actually has a haptic and other vibrations and stuff when you actually use that arrow. So again, all the Guardian stuff here looks awesome. I love it. And yeah, it is mostly exclusive to the Guardians of the Galaxy Treasures of Xandar shop. So you got to come down here to Epcot and get all this cool exclusive merchandise. So that wraps up our Media Day coverage from Guardians of the Galaxy. You got to see a little bit of the ride, you got to see the pre-shows, merchandise, you talked to an Imagineer, but if you want the full experience, you got to come out and ride Guardians of the Galaxy here at Epcot.